Volkswagen has unveiled the upgraded 2025 GTI, which comes with a redesigned infotainment system, a bigger touchscreen, and improved voice assistance. It also features updated steering wheel controls, which are a nice improvement over the previous model's obtrusive touch-sensitive buttons. There will also be new wheel designs, updated tail lights, and headlight revisions. The best part is that the 4-cylinder turbo engine has a little bit more power than it did previously. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI is estimated to cost between $34,000 and $42,000, depending on the trim level and options. The new GTI will come with a larger infotainment screen, measures 12.9 inches. The new GTI will include a larger 12.9-inch infotainment screen. That's a useful size increases over the previous model's 10.0-inch screen, and VW claims improved functioning with its enhanced MIB4 software. An upgraded voice assistant promises to recognize more orders. The Volkswagen Golf GTI will continue to use the same 2.0-liter inline-4 turbocharged engine, but it will produce a little bit more horsepower than the current model, 241 horsepower. The Europe spec automobile can produce up to 262 horsepower, while the US version may see a little variation in that number. In any case, performance will probably be marginally better than the preceding vehicle, which in our testing reached 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. This time, there will only be one available gearbox option, a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. While it shifts quickly, it is not as engaging as the 6-speed manual gearbox.